Could flossing with floss picks be the easiest choice? One of the easiest and most convenient methods is actually flossing with floss picks. What are floss picks? Floss picks are a small piece of plastic with a small handle and a bridge that holds a small piece of string floss between its beaks. Is flossing with floss pick effective? Well, considering you are using traditional floss held by a plastic frame, then the answer is definitely yes. No one could argue the benefit and efficiency of string floss, as well as its convenience and availability. But not everyone finds it easy to use, which is why floss picks were created to provide a very simple way of using the good old string. Advantages of using floss picks: easy to use, available, cheap and convenient, sold in packs, comes in all shapes and sizes, and much less harmful. Now, the disadvantages of using floss picks: not as effective, disposable, cannot be used with braces. Flossing with floss picks verdict. In short, there is no definite right or wrong when it comes to flossing versus floss picks. You just have to do at least one method regularly. There is a wide variety of ways by which you can floss, and all you have to do is select the one that suits you the most. If flossing with floss picks is what gets the job done for you, then by all means, go for it. For more information on how to manage your oral health, visit our website www.waterflosserguide.com.